Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to flight SA502 from LA to Chicago. Welcome to International Airlines. We wish you a pleasant flight.
You know, I'm afraid of heights. I always get very tense on airplanes.
Yeah, I know a lot of people that suffer from that. I don't mind it though.
I just agreed on taking the airplane because I'm going to see my boyfriend in Chicago. I haven't seen him for a long time.
Quite a meeting then, huh? Let me introduce myself. I'm John. John Burt.
Hi, John. I am Miss Williams, Sandra Williams.
Pleased to make your acquaintance.
Hello, do you like to drink something?
Can I have a vermouth?
And here you go, please. And you, mister?
Anything alcoholic on the rocks.
Anything alcoholic on the rocks. Here you go, sir. Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you.
Thank you. How about you, Mr. Burt? Shall I call you John?
Yeah, you can call me John. I'm just going to visit some family. My cousin. He's got a business proposition.
Sorry, I forgot the nuts. Here you go.
Thank you. That's the only thing I like about flights. The food and the drink. Sorry, you were saying you were going to visit your family?
Yeah, I'm hoping to set up business with my cousin. So I'm making a trip.
Interesting. What kind of business?
Entertainments.
Oh, entertainment. Well, I've got a proposition for you. My boyfriend is one of the greatest dancers around Chicago. Thing is, I haven't seen him for a long time, so I don't know how he's doing these days. The reason why I haven't seen him is, fortunately, he was put in prison. Not his fault. Don't worry. But it would be good. It would be good for him to meet someone like you. John, you can call me Sandra, by the way.
Well, Sandra, that sure sounds good. You just gotta see him first.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching the airport. It's for the moment 48 degrees Fahrenheit in Chicago, and wind speed is 11 miles per hour. Please fasten your seatbelts and enjoy your stay in Chicago.
Well, John, here's my card. And if you're looking for a dancer, when we get into Chicago, just give me a call.
Sure. And you take mine. Been pleasure sitting next to you.
Same. Sandra was so excited to see her boyfriend again. Mario, the greatest dancer. Would he be waiting for her at the airport with flowers? Maybe that could be an opportunity. If this Mr. John Burt is around, maybe they could meet. That would be so good for my little Mario.
So Miss Williams, so you are looking for your boyfriend, you said?
That's right. Mr. Sorry, what's your name?
Mike Everest.
Okay.
No.
Nice to meet you. I'm Sandra Williams.
Nice to meet you, Sandra Williams. Now, okay, your boyfriend, if I can recall, he worked here in the nightclub 6 months ago. He was dancing.
That's right. So I just arrived from LA. He was supposed to be waiting for me at the airport, and I don't know where he is.
I don't know it either. I'm very sorry I can't help you. I mean, 6 months ago, we had to fire him.
That's unfortunate.
He's a drunk, Miss Williams. He's a drunk. He's a dimwit. He was always drunk as a lord. We always found dead soldiers next to him when he had to perform. Can you imagine? We can't use people like that in here in the showbiz. So I'm sorry, I had to fire him. I don't know where he is, to be honest.
My Mario wouldn't behave like that. Are you sure? Are you sure you're talking about the same person?
I'm very sure. If you want to find him, perhaps you can try your luck in one of the other nightclubs. There is one here on 6th Avenue. It's called The Misery. You might be there.
Okay.
It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. And so Sandra went to The Misery with a lot of hope to see Mario again. Are you John? John Bird?
I'm his cousin, Tom.
Oh, you look so much like that gentleman that was sitting next to me on the plane. I just flew in from LA. I am Sandra Williams. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. So you met my cousin, eh? He's supposed to be here. No.
Yes. I'm looking for my fiancé. His name is Mario. He's a very, very good dancer. Do you know if he's here?
Oh, Mario. Yeah, I know him. But, we had to get rid of him.
What happened?
He's causing trouble.
What sort of trouble?
He's drinking too much.
Oh no, again.
Yeah.
And do you know where he could be? Please. I haven't seen him for a long time. Please.
I imagine he's just, surrounded by a bunch of dead soldiers. Just been being as drunk as a lord. That's what he was like when he was here.
I'm so sorry to hear that. I need to find him. Maybe I should go and find the in-house man.
Well,
Mr. Everest.
There is a bunch of hotels and apartments down the street. I'd often see him hanging out there after we had to let him go. Maybe we could try that.
Okay. Nice meeting you. And here's my card. If you find him or know anything about him, please give me a call. I would appreciate it. Thank you. Sandra was desperate. And she decided to call Mr. Everest. Mr. Everest?
Yeah, I was there.
This is Sandra Williams. Remember we had a chat recently. I need to find Mario. He's not at the first club. He's not at the second one. He's been drinking. I need to help him.
Okay, I give you a tip. Go to Hotel Belvedere. Write it down. Hotel Belvedere. They might know something.
Okay.
I know a person there working. He's a houseman, the detective, the housekeeper of the hotel. He might have some valuable information for you.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Mario, you said. Well, now Mario, he was here in the Hotel Belvedere some time ago.
Yes,
I know where he is.
You know where he is.
Yeah.
Well, just tell me. Tell me. You know, I flew all the way from LA. I'm his fiancée. I haven't seen him for a long time. Please.
You're a nice pretty girl. What is a nice pretty girl doing with a lowlife as Mario? You know, he's a lowlife, he's not worth anything. Not even worth a dime. You can have better men than him. Have a good job.
Look, I fell in love with him 5 years ago. We were engaged. And for some reason, he was put in prison. But it was not his fault. So, maybe he's got into drinking because when you are in prison, you know, life changes and it was unfair, but he's a nice man. He's a good man. I still love him.
So you really are desperate looking for him, yeah? Okay, $1,000. I'll tell you where he is.
$1,000. I'm sorry, I don't have that.
Take it or leave it.
Please. I can do anything for you. I can clean your house. I don't have that money. I just spent all my money on the ticket, on the airplane ticket.
So you want to do everything for me, yeah?
Pardon? Yes.
Just join me in my hotel room then. If you catch my drift.
No. Sorry, not that kind of thing. I'm not that kind of girl. And so Sandra was desperate. She was thinking about her honor, but finding her boyfriend. What to do?
You decided to come anyway to my hotel room.
Look, I think I can borrow money from someone. Just give me a day or two.
No, I can't wait.
I know. Look.
Vicky,
No.
I have a gun. I'm armed. Come here. Come here. I say, come here.
No.
Come here.
I must run. I must run away.
The shot went off. The creepy guy of the hotel died. Who pulled the trigger? We don't know. Was it Sandra? Was it an accident? But the dead body was lying on the floor.
Sorry to bother you, John.
You know, I didn't think I'd see you here. I didn't think you're cool.
I need you to help me. And I can't find Mario. John, you're the only person I know in Chicago. You seem to be good, well enough, financially. You can help me.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, we have a dead body in Hotel Belvedere. Yeah, it's the house internal house detective. He was shot on the spot in his room. Yeah, there was a woman, she ran out with a black hat. Yeah, we know where she is. We have a detective following her now. Yeah, probably some internal affair, but she will not go far. Are you sure, boss? She will. Lieutenant, I'm sure we will have her very soon by the end of the day. Bye-bye, sir. Bye.
We can hide out here. It's one of the disused clubs. You know, a bunch of them got shut down last year, and I got the family keys.
You do. Well done.
Guess I'll never think to find you here.
I know. Can you hide this for me?
Sure. Although I can't stay all the time. I gotta go do some business with my family. You'll be okay.
I'll be okay. Can you get me a bottle of whiskey or something like that, just to pass the time? Oh, and a package of cigarettes, please.
Sure.
Sandra, it's me.
Mario! Oh my God! You're here!
I'm so come here. I'm so pleased seeing you. It's all over town. It's all over town. Everyone is talking about this, and I know this guy John, and I thought perhaps he would have helped you. And this is a perfect hideout place, so I came here. And it's you. It's you.
It's me. I was expecting to see you. I don't know if you got my message. I arrived from the flight, but you were not at the airport, so where were you? Where have you been?
I'm a dimbit. Sorry. Just a dimbit. I'm not good for anything, Sandra. I thought I could make it here in the big city as a dancer. I thought that people would finally respect me after my terrible youth. When I was growing up in Wisconsin, they were laughing at me, all my friends, because I was a dancer. And I thought here, finally in Chicago, in the big city, I could make it. I could have fortune. People were just exploiting me in the nightclubs. They were making jokes of me. They were laughing at me. I was a laughing stock. I started to drink one bottle of whiskey after the other. More and more and more. And then, I learned to drink in prison. I'm a witness. I just can't get myself together, Sandra. It's too much for me, this life.
My poor Mario. I should have been there with you.
No, I'm not the guy for you. I'm sorry. Sandra, I'm not the guy for you. I will only bring you bad luck and happiness in your life. This is a fact, and therefore I'm just here to say, forget about me. And you will never see me again. Never, ever.
I can't forget about you, Mario. 5 years thinking about you every day. Please.
You're wasting your time with me. I'm sorry. I have to go.
Look. Please.
Bye, Sandra. Yeah, that's a suspect.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but you're under arrest for murder.
No. I didn't do anything.
Sandra Williams, she was seen at the crime scene. It's obvious. You pulled the trigger and we will prove it. We have found fingerprints on the gun. They are probably yours.
You have been identified, and you're going to spend a long, long time thinking about what you've done in prison.
We are serious in this city, miss. We are a city of the law. We don't tolerate people like you. You will go into prison for the rest of your life, and you'll suffer there until you're finally dead yourself.
That's so unfortunate. I'm sorry. Really sorry.
Sorry, it's coming too late, I guess.
Yeah, don't apologize to us, ma'am. You need to be sorry for yourself.
Take her in.